Boeing Starliner spacecraft has been in the news since early June when it blasted off for its first crewed flight and carried astronauts Sunita Williams and Barry Wilmore to space. For 3 months straight, the spacecraft has made headlines for all the wrong reasons. It started when Boeing's spacecraft first experienced malfunctions in space. And what had to be their 8-day mission to the International Space Station became an 8-month-long trip. And now the Boeing Starliner is on the front page once again for making strange noises while docked to the space station. NASA says the audio system of the International Space Station is complex. The noise that Wilmore reported was actually from the audio configuration between the space station and Boeing Starliner. And these technical sounds are quite normal and usual.